What's up, guys? We're back again with another little pack battle. We're just gonna go ahead and
get to it.
Exactly.
I'm gonna say grass.
I'll go with fire. Ooh, okay. Slower, belt bug, larvitar, probass, spike moose, gym, muck, mastiff, gorbis, into
let's
Team
go.
Rocket's petrol. It's a nice card. I like that card. Toadsicle, Smoliv, Coughing, Torchic, Morgrim, Team Rocket's Venture Bomb, Toadsicle, Tyranitar,
Right here.
into a Falafi.
Ooh.
Ooh,
We
into
got
a
that
Team
card
Rocket's
already.
Giovanni. Snover, Hippopotamus, Team Rocket Transceiver, Wheezing, Granite Cave, Typhlosion. Oh! Team Rocket's Murkrow.
2 for 2.
I like that. That's a good looking card right there. I have not been pulling good. I gotta have to have Logan open everything up for me. You know what I want to do? I want to do one more and one more. How do you feel about that? Yeah? Shaman, Ethan's Adventure,
We need that other card.
Orgapon, Yanma, to a Judge, and to a Spidops.
That's a cool holographic.
That is a very cool holographic card.
We did pretty good today.
We did pretty good. We did all right. That Murkrow card is actually really beautiful. I like it a lot, actually. So, we did do pretty good. So, until next time, everyone, see you in the future.
Peace out.
Peace out.